Good morning. All right.
This is actually the second time you've
Morning.
done this car.
For this car?
Yeah, I lost the other one somehow. And
Okay.
That's why I was busy. The car that came with the VT. I don't know if it's a mini.
Okay. Hey, nice to meet you, Dan.
Nice to meet you, David.
It should not take too long. You cannot hear anything with the engine. It's silent engine.
Yeah.
Because it's hybrid.
Yeah.
All right. So 125. That's good. Feel free to give me a call anytime. Hopefully, you're not gonna need a Locksmith service. And yeah, thank you very much.
It will be you.
Yes.
Absolutely, appreciate it.